In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Microsoft Word. Undo is one of the most useful features in Word because it allows you to quickly reverse a mistake, whether you accidentally deleted text, applied the wrong formatting, or made changes you didn't intend to keep. Knowing how to use the undo feature properly can save you time and prevent frustration while working on your document. Let's start with the simplest method. Look at the top left corner of the Word window. You'll see a small curved arrow pointing to the left. This is the Undo button located on the Quick Access toolbar. If you click this button once, Word will reverse your most recent action. For example, if you just deleted a sentence, clicking Undo will bring it right back. If you've made several changes and want to go back more than one step, you can click the small drop-down arrow next to the Undo button. This will show a list of your recent actions. You can move your cursor down the list and select multiple actions at once to undo several changes in a single click. This is especially helpful when you realize you want to return to an earlier version of your document. Another fast and commonly used method is the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard at the same time. Each time you press Ctrl plus Z, Word will undo one action. You can keep pressing it repeatedly to step backward through your recent changes. This shortcut is often quicker than using the mouse and is widely used by professionals who work with documents regularly. If you accidentally undo something you actually wanted to keep, don't worry. You can use the Redo feature to restore it. The Redo button is located right next to the Undo button and looks like a curved arrow pointing to the right. You can also press Ctrl and Y on your keyboard to redo an action. Using Undo and Redo effectively gives you greater confidence while editing because you know you can always reverse recent changes. It encourages you to experiment with formatting and content without the fear of permanently damaging your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.